Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, August 6th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar, and we are on the 1 hour time frame. So, but very, very little price action. This is the market open so far. This is the Monday market open, and very little price action so far. The fact that it's very corrective, very overlapping, makes me think that maybe this really is just a pullback to this wave down. So I think there is a chance that it might end up doing something like this, just like I was saying last night. To me, it kind of looks like it needs to pop down to finish off a wave C and then pop up again. Now, this could just end up going all the way back up and continue in the higher time frame uptrend, but it's looking more corrective. Like this is potentially going to all play out as an ABC correction, which would be a pullback to this last wave down, meaning that once this pullback is complete, there's probably a pretty good chance that it will continue back down on the much, much higher time frames. And it really all depends on what happens on the dollar index. The dollar index looks like it's going down. If the dollar index goes down, then this potentially will just keep on going up. So I personally definitely have a long bias right now. I'm definitely looking for logs. Whether it really actually goes down and makes a wave C or B, I don't know. But I definitely do know that I would like to try to get long every single chance I get, just in case it does end up continuing the higher time frame uptrend. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.